Let's get started. This is my video footage. Now we are gonna create mask with this walking object. After the object entered the frame, we can see some space here. Now we are gonna mask from here. So click the footage and go to Effect Controls, click Pen Tool, and start to mask those areas. Use Ctrl to curve the points during masking. Press Alt to finish the mask with a straight line of points. Now check the inverted box. And click on the stopwatch of mask path, mask feather, mask opacity, and mask expansion. Now just move one frame forward. Expand the mask now. Repeat the same thing by moving frame by frame until the object gets out of the frame. I will just speed up the video to make it quick. Now the masking work is done. Go to the first frame of the keyframe. Move one frame backward and reduce mask expansion. Now go back to the first frame of the masking, and move the clip to above layer. Now drag the second clip to timeline. That's it, we have done. Now let's watch a preview. So if you like this video, give a thumbs up and subscribe our channel. Don't forget to comment below the tutorials you needed. Peace.